Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the KitBest floor bike pump. You'll receive the bike pump, 2 mounting screws, and a sports ball pin. Note that this unit doesn't come with any instructions. The pump measures 11.5 inches long and 1 inch in diameter. It is made of an aluminum alloy and plastic. There is a rubber strap that secures the fill hose, and behind that is a mounting bracket that can be attached to a water bottle cage on your bike. The nozzle for the hose stores in the pump handle. The nozzle has a lock lever that you lift to create a seal and grip when you put it on your tire valve. The pump handle swivels 90 degrees and locks into place, and at the bottom of the pump you'll find a fold-out footrest that you'll step on when using the pump. The pump action is smooth and glides easily. The nozzle on this pump is universal, and it can fit both Schrader and Presta valves. By default, it ships for use with Schrader valves, and this configuration is compatible with the sports ball pin, which you simply push into the opening. I had a bit of trouble removing the pin, so I'll open up the cap and switch the valve to show you how to use it with Presta valve tires. First, unscrew the cap of the nozzle. Let's get rid of the sports ball pin, then remove the rubber valve and valve insert. Then I'll flip over the rubber valve and flip over the valve insert. Put them back together, and then drop it back in the nozzle and screw on the cap. With the nozzle in this configuration, you won't be able to use the sports ball pin because the opening is too small. However, you should be able to put this on your Presta valve tire. I don't have any Presta tires, so I'm going to switch this back, and next I'll test it out on some Schrader valve tires. You can see how flat this tire is. I can basically squeeze the sides of the tire together with my fingers. So here I've got the pump, the handle is already open. Now I'll open the foot on the bottom and step on it. Next, attach the nozzle to the valve. Once the valve is on, I'll flip the lock switch. Now, just start pumping. You can see the tire inflating and expanding pretty quickly, so let me test the tire. It needs a little bit more air, so give it a few more pumps. Now it feels pretty good, so I'll unlock the nozzle and remove it, and then put the cap back on the tire valve. Then I can fold the pump up and we're ready to go. I like that the unit is small and compact, and it took less than a minute to go from flat to fully inflated. The unit feels pretty durable, and it's versatile, but I don't have the water bottle cage, so I'm not really sure how to mount it to my bike. The unit could have come with a set of instructions, and there's nowhere to store the sports pin, but overall, the pump did a nice job inflating my tires. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments, and join me next time.